Hey there, crafty friends. It's Hannah at the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana, and I wanted to give you a quick little technique video today, or a little how-to video, in case you are new to rub-ons or rub-ons intimidate you just a little bit. Rub-ons are some of the easiest things out there. They give you a seamless look, almost like it was printed onto your surface, and they will go on virtually any surface. And yes, I do mean any surface. So whether you are working on canvas, paper, plastic, metal, glass, rub-ons are definitely your friend. So if you haven't tried rub-ons, pull out some things, maybe, not even paper crafting, that just need a little bit of a facelift, and give them a try. So I wanted to show you. So my mom, as many of you know, she's a crafty girl as well, and she makes these candles, and she was wanting to jazz up the outside of her candles, and we just got in new rub-ons here at the Doodlebug, and she loves them and wondered if she could put them on to the glass of her candle. And of course she was too scared to do it, and she's like, I need you to do it for me. I'm like, I'm not doing it for you. You can do it yourself. It's super, super easy. And so finally she took a pack home, and she's like, all I did was rub on. That's all I had to do. I'm like, I know, that's all you have to do. So here you can see rub-ons on glass. We're going to do some paper and also some canvas as well too. The rub-ons that she used are called Joyful Wishes. They are from Spellbinders, and depending when you're watching this video, they were brand new rub-ons for fall going into holiday 2025. So I pulled out some super cute little Halloween ones that we just got in. Again, they are brand new from Spellbinders. They're called Stay Spooky. You get 2 sheets in the pack. Now, my really big pro tip, or really my only pro tip, whenever you're dealing with rub-ons, is a lot of times almost like 99% of the time, I don't work directly from here, meaning I don't try to do something like this. I find the image that I want. I quickly, roughly cut around it. It does not need to be a fussy cut look. It does not have to be perfect. It just gets it out of the package is what it does for me. Now, another thing I will sometimes even do is, if these are really intricate, I will even leave them in the package when I cut around it. Yes, it cuts through your package, but then I don't have a hard time getting them back into the package. You can see this one comes with a popsicle stick. You just need something firm to rub the rub-ons on. A lot of times I take my bone folder, because I've got that on my craft desk at all times, and I will use my bone folder for that. So I've got my little image here. Then I'm going to put this in the middle, because I'm wanting to die cut this, I think, later on. So I'm just literally laying it right down where I want it. Now I'm going to take a flat edge. So I've got my bone folder here, a little flat edge, and I'm just going to rub over it, and then start to peel it back. Now, as I'm peeling it back, I want you to kind of hopefully see there. You can see it releases. Now let's see. I got one little spot there. Hopefully you guys can see that. That did not release. So no worries. Plop it right back down. Give it a little rub again. And look, now it's gone. Peel that off. Got one other little spot. So I just rub and peel, rub and peel. And that's it. Look, it looks like it has been printed right on the paper. It's nice and smooth. There shouldn't be a sticky residue. Beautiful. Love, love, love that. Now let's try it on canvas. So we've got these cute little pencil bags in at the store. I've seen people do shoes. I mean, you can do all kinds of fun things. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, once you put it on there, okay, people will ask me, can I wash it? No, you cannot wash these. So if you do like canvas shoes, you can't throw them in the washing machine. It's probably going to come off in the wash. People have tried different things to seal it, and that just doesn't seem to work either. So if it is something that you feel like you're going to want to wash, then rub-ons may not be that choice for you. But if you're doing, let's say you're doing a little like a busted canvas, or you're thrifting and you're, picking up a picture that you want to, how they are doing a lot of those old pictures that, and now I flipped it, I'm gonna fix him. Some of those old pictures at thrift shops where they make them look like Halloween, and how cool that is. So you could definitely do, these on a canvas as well. Here I'm talking and not focusing and watching as I'm, all right, so my little Bill, I moved him too quickly. And I'm gonna come in and just fix him. Oh, I think I actually flipped him and rubbed him on. Okay, and there we go. Got that fixed. Oh, I rubbed him upside down is what I did. All right, now we're going to add another little guy here. Let's do, which one do I want next? I think I want this little ghost. Okay. Put them kind of side by side here. I want to show you that you can overlap rub-ons. Now, whenever you're working on a textured surface like I am here, you do probably want to take your time a little more than what I am. I just don't want to have you guys have to tediously watch me rub, but it does take a little more patience just because the surface is uneven. Am I still in camera? Yep, I am. Making sure I'm still in frame. And a lot of times too, especially on a surface like this, as you're rubbing, you can almost see it release. So it's nice and bright, and then it'll almost look cloudy through your rub-on release paper. It's turning out beautiful. Ah, super cute. Now, I think one thing I would do is maybe you could come along and you could add a little distressing. You can add some spritz on there, little verbiage on there yet. But I want you to see where I overlapped them. So you can put rub-ons on top of each other too. So from easy peasy surfaces to harder, uneven surfaces, and everything in between. Rub-ons can work on so many different things. So don't let them scare you. Don't let them intimidate you. And then one other thing, now, a lot of times I'm good with how my rub-ons turn out. Meaning if it's not perfect, it's not perfect. It doesn't bother me if they are not absolutely perfect. But I know sometimes big mistakes can happen. Maybe you can't fix those. So we are going to try. All right, so again, just gonna rub over this. Now, some of my favorite rub-ons, of course, I'm not using them today. Oh, see, hopefully you can see how that kind of change colors there just a little bit. I also love 49 and Market's rub-ons. I find that I have very little difficulty with them ever. Okay, so there's that. But let's say that, you know, I messed up and, yep. So this is an adhesive eraser. And as you can see, it is also erasing my rub-on. So if you would have a huge boo-boo, and now you feel like, oh my gosh, I've ruined my project. No, you haven't. You can take your adhesive eraser and rub it right off. So from don't let rub-ons intimidate you to in case they do and you do mess up, there is a fix for it as well. So, alrighty friends, hopefully this kind of helped a little bit, took out a little bit of the scariness or intimidations that rub-ons may be giving you. And if you are wanting to check out some fun rub-ons, we do have them online on our online store, or you can shop us in our Jasper store in Southern Indiana. And our website is www.thedoodlebuginc, that's INC.com. Thank you so much. Again, I am Hannah. Thanks for joining me for a little bit. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments and I will do my best to get back with you and answer all of those for you. Thanks. Have a great day, friends.